Hi everyone, this is Jody. I have a couple of personal journals that I just made, and before I start documenting and writing in them, I thought I would do a flip through. Let me know if you like this style of journal. I can make one for you. No problem. All right, so the first one is this one is a bird book, and my tie undone here. So this is a bird book that underneath the jacket it had this really pretty cardinal bird, and this is for documenting our home. And so to me, this is a pin. I did thrift this in a haul. I'm not sure which video will be first, but I E6000 this on, and it's really pretty. So this journal to me is for me in my meanings. So I like to garden and do flowers, and then a cardinal is one of my favorite birds. And then this actually is a coaster, like a drink coaster, and it has a picture of a girl and a little boy, and so this depicts my grandchildren, and then I layered it onto some upholstery fabric. Then I added some rickrack here. It's just opening it up so you can see. So this is upholstery fabric here, rickrack on the front, and then on the back is this kind of trim that I wanted. And then I used a grommet for my tie, and it just wraps around this way so I can take it off too. I probably won't use my tie actually until I start filling it, and then it becomes it becomes thicker, and then I'll want my tie to keep everything in there. But for right now it's empty, and I don't have anything in it. I've just added all my signatures and my pages, but I'll do a quick flip through. This is a hard spine, and I did make it a 3-inch spine because I plan on bulking this up, and it's got 4 signatures. So this is my private journal. So let's do a flip through of this. So these are all cardstock. And, I haven't, of course I'm going to do whatever I want to the pages. So I'm just going to do a flip through. This is all thrifted papers and interesting items that I thought would be interesting to me. This is wallpaper. This is out of a really cool journal book. And this is all about nature and things that I'm interested in. This is gardening. This is a journaling book page out of a different journal. Children's book page. My trees. I did leave my strings long because I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. This is a calendar page. This is all scrapbook paper. Adult coloring. Nature. There's a loon. I'm kind of on the other side of the same pages. These are journaling prompts for a book, and of course I haven't done anything with this yet. This is a vintage flower book page. This is a tea book about friends. Shorthand book page. Oh, this is wallpaper. I love this color. When I need inspiration, I think of, and then this is a writing journal page. Love this. This is out of a pattern book. Kind of love the black and white. And then of course this is the other side. So I'll kind of go faster here. the other side of the tea page, the flower page. Okay, now we're on the third signature. This is little words here. The mountains are calling. Let's get lost. Adventure is out there. This is what this book is all about. This is a book page from a kind of like a Hallmark type book. Really pretty. This is wallpaper, textured wallpaper actually. It's really thick. This is a nature book page. It's got a bee here. The bee is merely gathering food. That's a poem there. Love this book page here with the strawberries. This is out of a old children's type book, nature book. This is out of a vintage book. There's some more strings I haven't decided to do with. There's the other side of that. Fold out there, some ledger. All of my journals that I make for myself or for anyone, I'm going to round these pages while I'm right here. I don't like sharp pages, but that was kind of sticks out past there, so just thought I'd do it while I was right here. But all of my papers and stuff are thrifted and unwanted. That's a bear. I'll probably, I don't know. I kind of like this yellow, but are possums fun to look at? No, but maybe I'll find something interesting to write about it. And there's some bird's nest page. Love this paper. It's kind of like a homemade paper. Book page with lots of trees, some baking paper, another page about children. I'll be documenting about my grandchildren and our adventures and things like that. That's why it's all about nature and stuff and flowers. There's some more string tie, kind of like picnic paper, music paper. This one is When the Red Robin Comes Bobbing Along. I just thought that was cool because I love birds. Another children's book page. Here's the deer. I probably will cover this up because, I don't live in an area where there's leopards and I don't like leopards, but I'll be covering that up with something interesting. And then here's the back page. This, like I said, this book was a bird book and there was a pocket already made there. So there is that journal. I'm excited to start writing in it. So there's the tie for that one. And then I have this one that I'm very excited about also. This one's a little bit different, made in a different style. This is with, this chipboard here is from Game Boards. And I just found one that was the same thickness as the book. So this one is just wrapped around, and then of course, it's hinged on there. But this one is made a little bit different, and this is a vintage jewelry necklace with big huge flowers, and I just thought that was really pretty to go across here. So this one is a soft spine, and this one is made with the book cover on the top, so this doesn't wrap, the spine does not wrap around the edge. This is made this way, and this is a soft one. This is 6 signatures, and I love this vintage Little Deer book by the Rand McNally Storytime book. Just love it. So yes, this one is made a little bit different. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I'll try to go fast, but this kind of has the same elements as the other one. And so the inside, I love the paper here, and I wasn't really paying attention. I just started gluing this down. I'm like, oh, I covered a little bit of the face, but I probably could have went back here a little bit, but I had already sewed and made it, and it's okay. It's my journal. All right, so let's go through this book, and this story is in here. All the pages are in here. This is a vintage flower book. Mary Englebright. Some ledger paper. Oops. Scrapbook paper. Recipe. Here's a vintage wildlife page. A beauty book page. This is wallpaper here. Oops. Sorry, I don't mean to be out of frame here. Okay. This is a journaling book. I love that because it's got the lines on it. We have lots of turkeys, so I put that page in there. Okay, second signature. This one, I'm not sure, I haven't done anything in here yet, of course. I'm just showing you the book before I start doing my own personal journaling. So, like I said, the story is intact in here. So I can't open this up and read the story to my grandchildren. I'm going to fill it with pictures and document things. Like we just seen a Bambi, or a baby deer, and so that's what prompted me to use this book. So we've seen our first baby deer of the season. These are all book pages from different various books. This is wallpaper. This is a cake decorating book. Vintage book page here, flowers and birds. Recipe book page. This is a recipe book page. There's mama and baby. There's rabbits. We have rabbits. There's a pocket here and a pocket there. This is that craft paper calendar. This is, what do you call it? A quilting, planning catalog, or, like a how-to book. Love these strawberries. We have wild strawberries growing. Excuse me. This is a book page from a garden book. There's a big envelope I put in there. This is wallpaper, believe it or not. I had a deer and squirrel in there. Some more book page. Just love that. Grandmother's baked custard. Book page. This is like a church recipe book page. Here's the page from the book. Love this. This is another recipe book, but it's all like has really cool images along with a like handwritten style writing in it. I just love it. Here is this is from my vintage pattern book, counter book that I have. Love the bright vintage flowers on this. Book page of our area where our cabin is at. Wallpaper. Another page of that. Love that. Another book page from this book. Pockets. Fifth signature. just an eclectic array of pages and types of pages. Well, this is wallpaper again. I love wallpaper. Wallpaper is great to write on. This is like a DIY book, a vintage one. Just love that. There's another page of that recipe book, or it's the other side, one of the two. I just love the pictures. It's just really nice. This is one of my favorite. Oh! Uh-oh. That didn't get put in the signature. I missed it. I'll have to put that in there. I'll probably just glue it in. And then, love that. Vintage book page. Love my chickadees. The book page from the book. And then we're on the last signature. I'll probably just tip this in. I'll just tip it in. But I love these book pages with these colors. Love this book that I found. Country Kitchen. That's where all these recipes are coming from that you see with the checkered. It's a herb book. More wallpaper. So I made this one into a pocket, or, you know, I'll finish it up. Well, this one got in there. This is wallpaper. I just love it. Fruit salad. Almost done. This is more of the herbs. Pockets that I made for my ends, and I'm just gonna stick this in here, but here's the back page of the deer. And that is it. So if you like this type of journal, and you want me to make more of these or some to sell, let me know. I just loved making it, and it was really fun. So, and that was my tie on that one. And then this one. So I just thought I'd share my own creations. I did make a dangle. I did make a dangle actually for this first, but I am not a dangle person. I don't want to mess with the dangles on the side. So I'm more of just a tie person if, you know, the book gets too big. But I did make this, and I'll probably put it on a next journal or a different journal. Whoops. But this one's really cute. It's orange. All kinds of game pieces and a, you know, array of things. So I'll probably use that for a next journal. The next journal I'm going to work on is probably this one, Awake and Away, and I'm going to make, this will probably go with it really well, so I'll probably keep that for that. But that'll be my next journal that I'm working on. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed the flip through of my personal journals, and let me know if you're interested in me making something like these styles for you. All right, thank you so much. All right, bye-bye.